have you ever considered making money on YouTube without showing your face? Let's be honest, you've probably heard people say that YouTube success is all about luck. But what if I told you that you can create high-quality, engaging videos that your audience will love? No need to stress, I'm here to help. Today, I'll guide you through one of the simplest and most lucrative niches, the story niche. Storytelling is one of the most engaging content formats, and the best part is there are endless possibilities. You could create animated horror stories, fantasy adventures, mystery and crime thrillers, heartwarming life lessons, and historical fiction. And guess what? These types of videos get tons of engagement because people are drawn to compelling stories. But here's the best part. Rather than spending hours scripting, recording, and editing manually, we'll use an AI tool to handle all the hard work for us. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to create engaging, high-quality videos in just minutes with a powerful AI tool specifically designed for short content creation. Let me introduce you to Clipwise AI, a cutting-edge tool that lets you create high-quality, engaging YouTube shorts in just minutes. Now, let me show you exactly how it works because you're about to see just how easy it is to create viral YouTube videos using AI. First, search for Clipwise.ai in your browser or click the link in the description. Then click Sign Up to create an account. You can sign in using your Google account or continue with your email. Once logged in, you'll be taken directly to your dashboard. Here's what the Clipwise interface looks like. It's straightforward and user-friendly. Now let's generate your video. You can create faceless videos, AI hosts, quizzes, Reddit-style videos, or business videos. Simply select the type you want to create. For me, I'll choose to create a faceless video for storytelling. Then in the prompt box, just type in the topic you want. Example, the unsolved mystery of flight MH370, what we know so far. Next, let's adjust the video settings to ensure we get the best results. Start by selecting the language that suits your audience. We'll go with English for a wider reach. Then, pick the video duration. I'll choose 90 seconds for maximum impact. And also for additional settings like selecting the tone, set the style, and the audience. Next, choose a visual theme, such as cinematic for a realistic look, children's book, or 3D Pixar. If none of these appeal to you, simply click View All for additional visual themes, where you can select the mood and style that best fits your video. For this video, let's select the cinematic theme for a realistic effect. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button and let AI work its magic. Now that the script and visuals are generated, let's add the narration. Clipwise provides a variety of AI-generated voices. You can clone your voice or click this View All and use any of these voices. You can also choose the gender, select the accent, age, and tone, or listen to them to choose the perfect one. For this video, I'll use this one, which has a clear and engaging tone. Also, if you'd like, you can add a virtual avatar to your video, but for this video, we'll keep it simple and skip this step. Then you can preview the generated script with the scene. And if you don't like the image, you can change the image prompt and regenerate the new one, or upload your own image. You can edit the script. At the bottom, you can add more scenes. Once everything is set, click Next. This is the preview of the generated video. Clipwise automatically adds background music and effects that fit the theme, but we can customize it for even better results. You can change the background music by uploading your own or using any of these. Then adjust the volume and the video speed. For the caption settings, you can change the font or keep the AI picked. Change the position to either bottom or center. Choose the color for active caption and style. Also, you can change the video overlay. Use your own or use the one here. Once you're happy with the customizations, click Next and let AI finalize the video. Generating the video will take some minutes. We'll come back once it's done. Now it is ready. Review the video if you're happy with the result downloaded, or you can edit the video. Let's try something different, a quiz video. I asked ChatGPT to generate these 3 trivia questions. Which country is known as the land of 1,000 lakes? Which country has the largest desert in the world? What is the smallest country in the world by land area? Then select the language, set the total number of questions, specify how many answer choices, and choose the tone, style, and audience. Pick the theme and click Generate. Next, select the ideal voice for narration. Finally, review the script and verify that the answers are correct. Then click Next. As for these steps, we've already covered them in the first video, so let me fast forward through this part. And just like that, my interactive quiz video is now ready.
How smart are you about the world's geography? Let's dive into some interesting questions and see what you know. Here's your first question. Which country is known as the Land of 1,000 Lakes? Think carefully now.
Now let's discuss the monetization opportunities. Can AI-generated videos make real money? Absolutely. Here's how. YouTube Shorts Fund. You'll get paid for viral shorts. You can earn money from ad revenue once your channel is monetized. Affiliate marketing. If you promote the tools, you will earn commissions. Brand deals, where companies will pay you to feature their products. And the best part? Clipwise does all the work for you. Now let's talk about how the credits work. Clipwise, they have the starter plan with $25 monthly and can generate 40 premium videos. For the creator plan, it's $39 per month, which can generate up to 200 videos, 120 for standard video, and 80 for premium videos. And for the business plan costs $63, you can generate unlimited video. Here's the best deal. If you subscribe for the annual plan, you will get a discount and save 60% plus 7 months free. Imagine just one of your videos getting viral. This could easily cover your investment. Now that you've seen how easy it is to create AI-powered videos, it's time to get started. Click the link in the description to try Clipwise AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more AI-powered content creation. The future of content creation is here, so don't wait. Start now and take advantage of AI automation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
How smart are you about the world's geography? Let's dive into some interesting questions and see what you know. Here's your first question. Which country is known as the Land of 1,000 Lakes? Think carefully now. Moving on to the next question. Which country has the largest desert in the world? It's hotter than you might think. Last question coming your way. What is the smallest country in the world by land area? It's tiny but mighty.
On March 8, 2014, Flight MH370 vanished without a trace, sparking questions that remain unanswered. What really happened on that fateful flight? Loved ones waited in anguish, clinging to hope. The search began rapidly, but the aircraft was nowhere to be found, deepening the mystery. Massive search operations were launched, covering millions of square miles, but debris remained elusive. Where could the aircraft be? Investigators analyzed the aircraft's final maneuvers. Unexpected turns pointed toward the southern Indian Ocean, deepening the enigma of its disappearance. In July 2015, debris confirmed it was MH370, a crucial clue. But what caused the aircraft to veer off course? Theories began to emerge. Did pilot actions play a role? Mechanical failure? Or was there a darker plot? Speculation fueled the ongoing search for the truth. Families held vigils, yearning for answers. The pain of uncertainty lingered. How could a modern aircraft simply vanish without a trace? New evidence continually emerges, yet no definitive answers. The mystery of Flight MH370 remains one of aviation's greatest unsolved cases. As interest continues, researchers and families alike demand closure. The story of MH370 is not just a mystery, but a plea for resolution.